everyone, welcome back to the Morrocco Method YouTube channel. My name is Jessica. Today I'm going to walk you through my hair routine, and I will include tips, tricks, practical ways to use the Morrocco Method products to achieve your healthiest hair. This is all that I use on my hair, and my hair has never genuinely felt healthier, stronger, fuller, and I'm so excited to share all of my experience with you, and hopefully you leave empowered and you can take this info home to use your Morrocco Method products in your hair. So let's get started. Let's talk about brushing and scalp massaging. These are the two products that I use. They're both awesome. Let's start with the scalp massager. Scalp massaging is more than just physically stimulating your scalp and thinking, ooh, this feels really good. It's all about promoting blood flow in your scalp and encouraging lymphatic movement, which is the foundation of hair growth. It's huge. It's a huge part of your daily routine that can really accelerate the rate at which you see new healthy hair growth. The rubber scalp massager from Morrocco Method, as you can see, it's very flexible, it's very gentle. I like to do it all over my scalp. Once a day is a good frequency. I would say a few times a week at the minimum, and you'll see the benefits from this. I also like to do this every time before I shampoo, a couple times a week typically, so that would be a minimum. And if you're really going to be an overachiever, I would say do it every day. You can even do it multiple times a day. So it's really up to you how much time you would like to put into it. But if you're looking for hair growth, this is a complete game changer. I have thinning spots on my temples. I would say they're the thinnest hair-wise on my head. I've really been focusing on scalp massaging these areas, and I've actually seen new hair growth in those areas, which is crazy because I think that you get used to the spots on your head that aren't as thick and you think that's just the way it is, but if you are committed and you are consistent, you can absolutely naturally encourage hair growth all over your head in specific spots. It's just really paying attention to it and putting the time into it. Next, let's talk about the mixed nylon and boar bristle brush. Morrocco Method also makes a pure boar bristle brush. My preference is the nylon and boar bristle brush because, as you can see, my hair is pretty long and the nylon really helps to detangle. I love this brush because if you don't like to shampoo every day, this is your best friend. I don't like to shampoo every day because I like to retain a lot of my scalp's natural oils and really try to minimize the time that I am shampooing my hair. It does take me a little while since I have a lot of hair, and so this brush acts as a shampooing method really because it helps the oil that's sitting on your scalp work through the rest of your hair. You want to start at the nape of your neck and brush down towards the ends. That's what's going to really help work the oil through the length of your hair, and that is why I love this brush. I use it every single day. It's a game changer. Another thing that I will tell you that is, I feel like this is kind of a tip that I created and discovered. When I shampoo in the shower, I actually brush the shampoo out in the shower on my wet hair with this brush. It is so gentle. It might sound like something that would not be effective or matter, but it really helps the product make contact with all of your hair. I did it both ways before, and I really liked how my hair felt after doing it with the brush, so I would highly recommend trying that out. Okay, next is shampooing. This is probably my favorite part because I really feel like this is when the products really get to hang out with my hair for a little bit. I actually apply them right when I get in the shower, almost like a little hair mask. I really just like them to hang out in my hair. With the 5 hair goals, the 5 elements, there are 5 different shampoo formulations that Morrocco Method has created that complement each hair goal. I mentioned earlier that my hair goal is thickening. The shampoo associated with that element is the Earth Essence shampoo. So this is my bottle of Earth Essence shampoo. I love it, it's my favorite. Now, even though my goal is thickening and that's what I focus on, I do still rotate all 5 shampoos. This is important because this really allows you to get the benefits of the ingredients of each formulation into your hair, because all in all, it's going to help you and it's going to help your hair be healthier, stronger, more vital, and get a full spectrum of nutrients right into your scalp and into the hair follicle. So is there a shampoo bar? Yes. The shampoo bar is a bit more clarifying, I would say, than the liquid shampoos, but they're just different. They're both needed, I would say. I enjoy using both of them, so I just add this one into the rotation. I really find that this is a nice change of pace from the other formulas. So just like we rotate the other formulas, it's nice to add this one in. And what I love about the shampoo bar too is that it's really good as a face wash and as a body wash. You can just treat it like a bar soap for your body. Really effective, really clarifying and cleansing. Next, let's talk about conditioners. So lots to pick from, lots of amazing products from Morrocco Method that I incorporate as a conditioner. With the shampoos, I don't feel like there's a desperate need for a conditioner. Leave-in conditioners are something that I did not use before Morrocco Method, but I'm realizing it was because the ingredients didn't really do much for my hair. With Morrocco Method's two leave-in conditioners, the Diamond Crystal Mist and the Sapphire Volumizing Mist, they are so full of nourishing ingredients. So for example, Diamond Crystal Mist contains actual quartz crystals that are liquefied. There's also St. John's wort oil, there's wild rose oil, sandalwood, frankincense, a lot of amazing nourishing ingredients. Sandalwood is one of my favorite essential oils, so the fact that both of these have sandalwood in it is just my favorite. So I'll apply these to the bottom half of my hair, and I find that they really are light but effective. So you can spray quite a bit and it won't weigh your hair down, but it will add a good amount of shine, helps keep your hair detangled, and they're just a staple for me, and they're so easy to apply. You just spray them right in. Another conditioner that I use this in the shower after shampooing, is the Floating Lotus Conditioner. This has a yummy minty scent to it. It's so invigorating and it performs incredibly. Your hair is so silky smooth after using this. So I use this in the shower after using the shampoos to brush out. I also use the brush to brush out the conditioner. I really suggest that you try it, because I know that if somebody had told me that before I started doing it, I would have thought that it was silly and it was an unnecessary step, but it really helps the product reach all of your hair, like I said earlier, and you really get all the benefits of the raw, nourishing ingredients that are in all of these formulas. Okay, next up for conditioners, this is the conditioner bar. This packaging is 100% compostable. I also really like this as a shaving bar. Before I forget to tell you that, it is an amazing shaving bar. It's just incredible. What it does for your hair, it does for your skin. So it's called the Citrus Silk Conditioner Bar. It truly leaves your hair so silky. This is definitely a heavy duty conditioner that, again, is not weighing for your hair. It doesn't weigh your hair down. It doesn't do any unnecessary gunk buildup. It really just provides a deep level of nourishment, again, through all natural ingredients, and is also amazing for traveling if you're looking for a conditioner, but maybe you don't want to bring a whole bottle with you. So that's been my hair routine. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a comment below and let us know what your hair routine looks like. We would love to hear from you. If you have any ideas for us, if you have anything for me to try out, we would love to hear it. Thank you and have a beautiful day. Bye.